A revolutionary product with advanced features by Toshiba. A product with luxurious design, glass finish. 661 liters capacity for sufficient storage for everyone's needs. The electronic touch control on door makes it easy to control temperature. Also, the exterior's rich and elegant. This product comes with the auto ice maker feature, which makes it convenient to get ice anytime without any hassles. It comes with LED hybrid deodorizer, which decomposes different types of odor and restrains the bacteria growth, ensuring freshness and hygiene inside the refrigerator. The chiller compartment comes with temperature setting up to -3 degrees Celsius, keeping the food fresh and clean by 3 ways. With silver Ag+ iron mixed with the material, it restricts bacterial growth, keeping fruits and vegetables fresh for a longer period. Toshiba. Details matter.